How to download Microsoft Teams app on your Huawei smartphone and enable notifications. Open Huawei Petal search. If you don't have it, you can download it from Huawei App Gallery. Search for the application name in the search box. Found it? Click on Install to download and install the application. The application installed successfully. Now you can log in with your existing account or sign up for a new one. Are you unable to receive notifications? No worries. Let's change some settings. Open your device settings and search for battery optimization. From the top left side, change not allowed to all apps so you can see all applications. Search for the application you want, click on it and select don't allow. Let's change one more. Go back to your device settings and search for app launch. Search for the application and switch it on. Enjoy using Microsoft Teams application on your Huawei smartphone, and thank you for watching.